What's up everybody, welcome to another episode. Today, it's assembly time. Let's get into it. Valves are in, clearances are perfect. Time to reassemble. So guys, after I replaced the two valves with the valve stem seals, I decided let's just replace all of the seals because they look terrible. I mean, let me show you guys. Look at how crusty that is. And the thing is, I don't necessarily trust them, so if I put the engine back together with those seals, there's a chance that they might leak. And I'm not willing to take that gamble. Okay guys, so what we got here, right? It's a new head gasket, new head bolts, new friction washers from Mazda, oil filter, O-ring that goes between the power steering reservoir and the pump, new injector seals, new crank bolt, valve cover gasket, and then obviously coolant, oils and stuff. So we have these new head bolts from O-ring. We're just gonna lube them up with some good old BMW oil. So there's our torque specs. Step 1, 11 to 17, 347 newtons, and then 90 degrees. So when you install the timing tool, I also add these 2 clips just because it's not 100% flat after you install the tool, and I want it to be spot on. Now this is what the bead should look like. Very little coming out everywhere. There's the timing cover. Nice small bead all around. Okay, let me show you guys. Timing pin is in. I'm just gonna drive it up until the pin. So there we go. Now let's see if this fits. Perfect. Okay guys, I think we're done with assembly up until this point. I think what we're going to do now is actually take it out, put the gearbox on, transfer case, and then start lowering it into the car, and then we can put on the alternator, well, the downpipe, the alternator, and all the heat shields. So let's get it out.